Have you heard the word pivot table and always wondered what they can really do for you? Have you seen pivot tables created by others and wished that you were able to edit them or build your own? If so, then our Excel 2016 Spotlight on Pivot Tables course with me, Fiona Hannon, certified trainer, is the right course for you. This Pivot Tables course introduces you to the power of pivots in Microsoft's most recent version. You'll learn how to create a pivot table, edit the many options available, and use drill downs and filters. This course will also go through how to use and modify slicers and timelines, and the use of the Get Pivot data and more. At the end of this course, you can take our online assessment to gain certification to prove to yourself and others that you are a skilled pivot table user. Join thousands of people like you by getting the most out of Excel 2016. Enjoy the course.